Welcome back. So I'm still on the topic of shares. So we're going to take one exercise and we're going to understand the question and go through the answers. Okay. So in this example, this company's success has a registered capital of 50 million ordinary shares. So this is the par value, 1 ringgit. Okay, but they only want to call 30 million ordinary shares. Okay, first issue, that means they only want a capital of 30 million. So 20 million might be called later when they need the money. So for the time being, they need 30 million. So they were offered at $1.20. Okay, this $1.20 is made up of these terms. On first application, okay, the applicants have to apply and they have to pay 20 cents. And on allotment, okay, the one that will be have been allotted and successful, they have to make 40 cents. They have to pay 40 cents per share, in which here includes the premium. So the premium is here the balance of. So the difference between par value and the amount they offered is 20 cents. So the premium is here. So the ordinary shares, so here ordinary shares is 20 cents and the share premium is 20 cents. Okay, the first call is going to be 30 cents and the second on final call is 30 cents. So that makes up $1.20. Okay, so the applications received, there will be oversubscribers. So instead of 30, now they have 40 million ordinary shares. So the directors have agreed to reject 5 million. So that means they will refund back the amount of 1 million, 5 million times 20 cents, you get 1 million. Okay, 1 million RM. So that amount will be refunded back to the unsuccessful applicants. And then they will go through the successful one will go through the allotted procedure. So that means 40 minus 5, we still have 35 million ordinary shares, which will go through the allotment on a prorate basis. Okay. So here is a big complication that will a lot of students got confused. Okay, any surplus money on application was used to pay up on allotment. So that means usually when people apply for shares, they don't apply for just one shares. Okay, they apply for 2 shares or 3 shares or more. Okay, so those applications, these 35, okay, only 30 will be successful. Okay, but the balance 5 million might be from the same person who have applied for the 30 million. So when they apply for the allotment and successful, they have to pay the 40 cents, right? So but they have already paid 20 cents because out of the 35 million, so they might be among the 5 million. So instead of them paying the 40 cents, they only pay the balance of 20 cents. Okay, so then this is what the meaning of any surplus money will be used up to pay up on allotment. That means they are not being refunded back, but they will be used up to cover for the allotment. So this one will become clearer when we do it, when we do the answers. Okay. Okay, now we come to the answer. Okay, how do we go about it? Okay, in the first procedure, okay, all applications has to make a payment of 20 cents. Okay, so when they make a payment of 20 cents, okay, 40 million has applied, so they paid 20 cents, so we will receive 8 million. So this 8 million, the debit will goes into the bank, we will debit into the bank and will credit into an ordinary shares application account. Okay, this is it. Okay, alright, and then on the allotment date, okay, on the allotment date, okay, we will pick 30 million. Okay, although we have received 40 million and 5 million will be rejected, so there's only a balance of 35 million. So out of this 35 million, we will allot based on prorate basis to take only 30 million successful applicants who will get the 30 million shares. Okay. On the ordinary shares allotment, okay, I'll come to here first. Okay, they will pay 40 cents. Okay, so 30 million times 40. Okay, 30 million times 40 cents. So they will come to 12,000. Okay, of which 20 cents is the ordinary shares and the 20 cents is the share premium. Okay, so allotment, the successful allotment will have to pay this amount. Okay, alright, and you remember that any surplus from the balance of 5 million, because there's a balance of initially 40 million applied, 5 million rejected, and there's another 5 million, right? So this 5 million is also in part of the allotment, have joined the allotment procedure. So instead of we refund the money back to them, they will use up the 1 million to reduce the payment of for the allotment. So instead of them paying the 12 million, they only need to pay 11 million. Okay, how do you get this 1 million? Okay, this 1 million is the 5 million unsuccessful applicants who have already paid the 20 cents during application. So instead of we refund the money back to them, so we use up this money to reduce, to help them, so that they will only pay the balance of 11 million. Okay, so you understand until there? Okay, so here. Okay, so, and then here comes the, then we go to the first call and the second call. Okay, this is easy. First call and second call. Okay, since because we already selected 30 million successful applicants, so they only pay 30 cents on the first call, so we will receive 9 million, and on the second and final call we will receive another 9 million when they pay 30 cents, another 30 cents. Okay, alright, so these are the journal, but the journal is a bit confusing. Okay, so let's see the accounts on the account. Okay, so this is the entry when we receive money during the application. Remember, 8 million, 40 million unit shares times 20 cents, you get 8 million. So you will debit the bank and you will credit the application accounts. Okay, and then the 1 million is the 5 million unit shares which we rejected earlier. The director says, okay, we will reject the 5 million. So the 5 million, the value is RM 1 million, so we will deduct from the bank, so we will credit bank and we will debit the application accounts. Okay, and then the successful one, okay, this makes up of 30 million, okay, 30 million unit shares, okay, at 20 cents. Okay, these are the one that is successful, so we will transfer this to the ordinary shares. Okay, this one, this consists of 30 million successful subscribers which they pay on application. Remember, so this one successful, we transfer them to the ordinary shares. So here is the 6 million. Okay, right, and this the balance. Okay, the balance 1 million. Okay, 8 refund 1, take away 6, so you have a balance of 1 million. Remember, this 1 million is the amount that we say will be used up to pay on allotment. So instead of we refund the money to them, we say, okay, we'll use this money to help you to make the payment on allotment, so you only pay the balance. Okay, So this amount will be transferred to the allotment account here. So remember that they have to pay 12 million. Okay, the calculation on allotment, they have to pay 30,000 times 40 cents, 12 million. So instead of them paying the 12 million, since they have already paid on the application and the amount will not be refunded, so we will reduce it from the allotted amount that they are supposed to pay. So they only make the payment of 11 million. So instead of them paying for ordinary shares 6 million, share premium 6 million, so the total is 12 million, right? So they only make payment of 11 million. So this 11 million will be debited into the bank. Okay, alright. Then the ordinary shares. Okay, these are the successful one, the applications, allotment. Okay, the allotment, remember, ordinary shares, successful ordinary shares transferred to ordinary shares, allotment, and share premium from the allotment, okay, transferred to the share premium account. Okay, and then for the first call, okay, now we only concerned with the successful. Only the successful are going to pay. So they are going to make the 30 million unit successful applicants will make the first call, which is 30 cents per unit, and they make the second call, which is also 30 cents. So total that will be about 9 million plus 9 million. So debit the bank and credit the ordinary shares. Okay, at the end of the year when you close the account, okay, application has already balanced, so there's no balance, so it will balance on both sides. Okay, allotment will also balance, so nothing to be recorded in the balance sheet. Okay, ordinary shares. Okay, ordinary shares, you will add up all this amount, and this amount will be carried forward into your statement of financial position, your consolidated balance sheet, or your balance sheet account. Okay, and the share premium will also be carried forward into your CBS or your statement of financial position, whatever you call it. Okay, and the bank, okay, this is the whole amount minus this amount, so you will have your balance carry forward figure that will be shown into your statement of financial position. Okay, hope you got it. Okay, bye.